What is up, my legion of leasers, my army of apartment maniacs? How's everybody doing? You guys doing good?
Hey, Matt, how are you?
Doing great, doing great. Hey, I'm not sure if it's for you, Kurt, but I've got an idea that is working with a lot of the property management companies that I'm working with, and I'd love to get your opinion on it.
Okay.
All right, see? That's the idea. The first idea is this. Write down a note, grab your sword and shield. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if we introduce new ideas as property management professionals to renters, to residents. Hey, Kurt, I know you wanted a 2-bedroom, but all I have is a 3-bedroom. You want to look at it? And no, I'll call you back if things change. Hey, Kurt, I know your lease is coming due in 45 days. Do you want to knock it out today? No, I'm really busy today. When we have something that is maybe not exactly what that person is requesting, or it's just a new idea, like renewing their lease, if we start with, hey, Kurt, I'm not sure if it's for you, but I did have one of our 3-bedrooms come available. They're pretty coveted units. A lot of our residents came looking for a 2-bedroom, and once they saw that, they absolutely loved the floor plan. Are you against taking a look? Now notice how I said that. Listen to my tonality. I wasn't, hey, Kurt, yeah, I've got a 3-bedroom. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's for you, but you're going to slow down, and I want you to genuinely sound, and hopefully in your heart, I want you to genuinely feel that you're not sure if it's for them. But if we can present new ideas with the prefix, the phrase in front of what we're about to say, with I'm not sure if it's for you, but the other person is going to lean in. They're going to want to hear what we have to say after that, and we're going to stand a much higher chance of getting them to do the thing that we want them to do. Look at that 3-bedroom, consider a 1-bedroom, renew their lease earlier, look at the one that's on a ground floor when they wanted something on the 2nd or 3rd floor. Does that make sense, y'all?
Yes.
Will you try it?
Yes.
Good. The way people rent apartments has changed. Today's renter has access to more information. Today's renter has more choices. The apartment industry needs you. Studies have shown that moving is the most stressful life event. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of leasing apartments in a way that's meaningful to you and your renters and get you 7 times more leases. I'll show you how the perfect leasing process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from answering the phone to closing the lease. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so that you can build value in your apartments. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your renter so it's easy for them to rent with you. I've taught the best property management companies and thousands of people just like you how to lease apartments. Property management is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number 1. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense. Even if you've never worked in sales or property management before. And for the advanced property manager, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Leasing University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective. We're gonna help you become a rock star in property management. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Leasing University.